Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a resume on your LinkedIn account. So this is your home page of your LinkedIn account and click to your profile. Click on View Profile. Once you're in your profile, click on the Add Profile section. Scroll down and click on the Recommended option. Add Featured. You may click on the plus button on the featured. There are four options in there, so you may click Add Media. Now you select a specific file for your resume. Now once you selected it, you may add a title or description of your added media. You may type in resume and click Save. Once you're done, it will show up on the featured page. You may also go to your profile and check if it appears. Now, since it appears and it notifies that the save was successful.